killed Kravchenko. You obliterated their base. Mason, Woods and Bowman were both killed. Your entire SOC team wiped out. Only you survived, Mason. You. No one else.
No, Reznov survived.
Just you, Mason.
No, Reznov is still with me. Since Vorkuta.
After you left Kravchenko's compound in Laos after your team were killed, you went rogue.
No. I wasn't rogue. I was continuing the mission.
You went to Rebirth Island against orders. Why, Mason?
Steiner was there! We had to kill Steiner!
But Hudson and the CIA were already on their way to get Steiner at Rebirth. Why did you have to go?
Dragovich, Kravchenko, Steiner, they all had to die.
We wanted Steiner alive! Why did you have to kill him?
Because the numbers were telling me to! Why don't you understand?
14,
Dragovich's sleeper cells are on U.S. soil. Nova 6 is weaponized. They will use it. Moscow has gone dark. We are out of options. A preemptive strike on Russia is prepared. The President will authorize. Mason, for the last time, where is the number station?
How many times? Steiner was at Rebirth Island. We had to kill Steiner.
We? Victor Reznov?
Wanted the same thing. The same.
We're losing him again. Oh God, he's back at Rebirth.
I arrived with Reznov at Rebirth Island. Finally. Steiner was ours.
We are here. Rebirth Island. Source of Dragovich's poison. They are preparing to deliver Nova 6.
Not on my watch.
Еще немножко! Немножко, еще немножко! Молодец! Молодец, давай!
Еще обезьяны? У нас их что, не хватает?
Разгружай, Юра! Наш приказ освободить место для аппаратуры!
Черт!
Хорош жаловаться! Грузи клетки на Папристан! Я должен проверить остаток груза!
Kill you, Mason. Take the hatchet. We are outnumbered, Mason. We must not attract attention. Stick to the shadows. Avoid the helicopter spotlight. Go! Quickly!
They are beginning to evacuate the facility.
They know we're here.
Good, my friend. Follow me. The chopper is coming around again. We must find another hiding place. Wait! Stay where you are. It did not see us.
Я там буду через минуту. Все ходим, все равно. Погоди минуту. Мне надо что-то проверить.
Good. Very good. We are getting close, Mason. We should be able to access Steiner's lab from the roof. They've gone to full alert.
It's the CIA. They want Steiner alive.
Then we must get to him first. Follow me. We'll use the elevator shaft.
Проблема в городе. Семья-то. Ну что с ними будет? Мой приказ провести. Персонал.
This is Hudson. We know you're on Rebirth Island. Talk to me, Mason.
Throwing a frag! Grenade in!
Let us end this.
Dracovich's men are rounding up everyone on the island! Those no longer essential to his plans are being executed! You must hurry before they kill me too!
Friedrich Steiner. This is the end.
I know you. Vorkuta. You don't know what we did to you.
Mason, talk to me.
Your evil has claimed the lives of many good men. No longer.
Killing me will not stop Nova. I do not care about Nova. My name is Victor Reznov. And I will have my revenge!
I swear to God, that's how Steiner died. Reznov killed him right in front of me!
You're lying, Mason. You killed Steiner. We know you did.
Reznov got exactly what he wanted.
Revenge.
We saw the report, Mason. Victor Reznov did not kill Friedrich Steiner. Hudson saw what happened.
Weaver,
Go ahead, Hudson.
Mason's still dark. We work our way through the research facility and extract Steiner.
Yankee squad, we're moving.
Alpha squad, let's roll.
Copy that, we're on the move. They've already begun to evacuate.
Take out those damn RPGs!
Не нужно заряжаться! Вот они! Я вижу!
Target down! That leads the biolab.
Enemy down!
Contact down!
Target down!
Enemy vehicles on the block! Activated level to the laboratory. Understood. Alpha squad, move up. We're moving. Enemy targets on the balcony.
Tango down!
Multiple contacts on the road. Recon report semi inbound on our position.
Understood. Let's pick it up. Confirmed. Contact down! Tango down!
Enemy down! He's down! I have contact! Breach!
MIA, get ahead! He's locked on! Move, move! Incoming!
Nova 6! Hazmat suits now!
Alpha squad, we're moving forward. Protect your hazmat suits. You rupture your suit, you'll be dead in minutes.
Second 6, I got it. Yankee squad has cleared the west perimeter, moving north. West, down that alley. Target down.
We're moving up on the flank. Keep heading north.
Understood. We're taking heavy fire from the helicopters.
Stay with it. We're about half a click south of the left.
Alpha Squad, we're taking direct fire from the...
Almost there, Weaver. Hang on.
Yankee Squad, get out of the BTR! We're gonna get it!
Weaver!
We're alive, Hudson, but they got us pinned down. They're on our east flank.
Got it.
Hudson, use the Strela on the choppers! Enemy down! Hudson, you need to take down those helicopters!
Yeah, I got it.
There you go, you son of a bitch! One more, Hudson! This way! We're almost at Steiner's lab! That's the biolab. Looks like they're waiting for us.
Move out. Stay low.
Check the room! Weapons free! Weapons free!
They're on the roof! Target down.
Good work!
Tango down!
Enemy down! Hudson! Flank left! There's cover!
Target down! Confirmed!
Target down! Target down! Tesoro! down! Get to cover! Keep it up!
Throwing grenade!
Go! Держу их огнем! Вот они! We're taking fire! Я вижу! Понял, прикрываю огнем! Меня поле зрения! Много целей! Он не жилет! Вот он! Вот туда! Понятно! Он у меня на мушке! Он ранен! In here! This is where Steiner will be! This way! The biolab is below us! Он в моем поле зрения! Grab some cover! Enemy down! We need to pass through decontamination!
Mason, this is Hudson. We know you're on Rebirth Island. Talk to me, Mason.
Let's find Steiner!
Mason, this is Hudson. Are you there? Tango down! It's Mason.
What the hell is he doing?
Killing everyone between him and Steiner. Contact down! Enemy down!
Hudson, where are they going?
What the hell was that?
Steiner's trying to contact us. Steiner, what's the situation? Steiner, what's the situation?
Dracovich's men are rounding up everyone on the island. Those no longer essential to his plans are being executed. Oh, hurry! Before they kill me, too!
Mason! We have to stop him now!
Damn, it's bulletproof! Mason, what are you doing? We need him alive! Stand down! Stand down!
My name is Victor Reznov, and I will have my
Revenge! Mason, no!
I'm fine! Check Steiner!
He's dead.
What about Reznov, the defector? We need to find him.
We won't. He was never here. I didn't believe it till I saw it with my own eyes. What did they do to you in Vorkuta, Mason?
Steiner dead. Mason's our only link to the numbers broadcasts.
We need to bring him back.
Let's go. This way! It will take us to the dock. This is Weaver. We have the package. We're on our way.
Copy that. We're taking the docks now.
What the hell did they do to you, Mason?